morning everybody, today we are very close to Civita di Bagnoregio and we just parked here because the ladies found a restaurant. So that's the entrance to the restaurant. Non sai che ti sto filmando.
Delle belle turbando il riposo, Narcisetto dolcino d'amor. Non più avrai questi bei panacchini, quel cappello leggero galante, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante, quel vermiglio d'onesco color, quel vermiglio d'onesco color. Non più avrai quei pennacchini, quel cappello, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante.
Era la fidanzata in Italia. Ed era fidanzata anche a Istanbul.
Poi si è lasciata, cioè nel frattempo si è fidanzata con uno a Istanbul. Non mi ricordo di che nazione era.
Iraniano.
Guys, Gigi is having a problem with his glass. Check it out. Oh my gosh. We ate all the possible food inside this restaurant. You have seen it in 5 or 10 seconds. And we are so full. Finally we are going to Civita di Bagnoregio. Joe, a little interview before parking the car.
We are very lucky, guys.
We are so thankful to these people going away. To get to the bridge you need to walk through this path. And we have Francesca and Luigi over here.
Tutti così. Non succederà.
Dopo scriverò sul viaggio Scania.
So we are stopping to drink some wine.
E posavamo per scatti fotografici.
Ok, ma seguivate un personaggio in particolare oppure tipo?
Io uso un personaggio di videogioco, Dead by Daylight.
Ok. E tu invece?
Mater Morbi di Dylan.
Many years ago, the two villages, Civita and Bagnoregio, they were linked together. Then the land fell down and they had to build this bridge 1 kilometer long. And now you can access this little town only through this pedestrian bridge.
Il problema è che dovevamo stare sdraiati da qualche parte a riposare.
So guys, you can see from here that it all fall down. Check out also from this side, everything fall down. Fra, where are we? That's the answer. So this is a medieval town, do you know that? And what else?
Così.
I am in front of a door and there is nothing behind. We are just about to check it. So, okay, let's check it out. So after checking the video, apparently there is something over there which is pretty nice. And I had a beautiful nice view and I was about to fall down. That's the village. My friends over there. The ladies were trying over here some Instagram shots.
Hai fatto il selfie di spalle a frappa?
No, non ce l'ho fatto. Immaginavo lo stesse facendo, però.
Poi non si era capito frappa, dai,
No bancomat, only cash.
This is the black in Italy.
The black, what? Bella per te, frate.
Instagram shot over there. So here we have the main square in Civita.
Italians do it better.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Dipende se uno ha una mente aperta, allora è uguale, altrimenti no.
We're exploring a bit with Luigi over there. And there are some cosplay, trying some costume and making photos. Oh, that's pretty nice also over here.
Sono bello. Mi sento tipo il nonnetto del paese.
Giovanni cannot stand to be on foot anymore after this 1 kilometer bridge, maybe less than 1 kilometer. So guys, now I'm gonna show you some other views of this little town. It should be amazing. I hope to make some drone shots. And later will be it for today. Therefore, thank you for watching, keep reading and believe in your dreams. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give a like. Thanks so much for watching. Ciao!
Lo so!